Every installation starts with an idea. For RESI, it began with a vision to illuminate the unseen bounds of human connection.
Being human isn't always comfortable, you know? We feel a lot, often more than we can say. But what if we could see what we feel? That's what we're trying to do with RESI. RESI captures your body's signals, your brain waves, your heartbeat, your skin responses, and turns them into real-time visuals and sound. And when two people connect, their signals blend, creating a shared audio-visual field with the particle systems. The more in sync you are, the smoother the field gets. It's not just data visualization. We tried to put some meaning to this, to make it representational to your inner state. It's a chance to slow down and connect to yourself and to others. This is RESI, the rendered embodiment of social interaction.